Hi there, garden enthusiasts. Today I'm unlocking 7 secret tips for growing the most delicious sweet corn right in your backyard. Let's kick things off with a little inspiration. For everything there is a season, and a time for every matter under heaven. And remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So let's get planting. Alright, tip number 1, sunlight is your best friend. Sweet corn loves the sun, so make sure you choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of full sunlight daily. And remember, corn is like a sunbather on vacation. The more sun, the better. Tip number 2. Well-drained soil is key. Corn doesn't like to get its feet wet, so be sure to plant your seeds in soil that drains well. You can test this by watering the area and checking if the water is absorbed quickly. Think of it as a corn spa. No soggy feet allowed. You can test this by watering the area and checking if the water is absorbed quickly. Tip number 3. Proper spacing is crucial. Give your corn plants room to grow by spacing them about 12 inches apart. This ensures they have enough space to develop strong roots and tall stalks. Imagine them as social distancing experts. They need their personal space. This ensures they have enough space to develop strong roots and tall stalks. Tip number 4. Keep an eye out for pests. Common culprits like corn earworms and aphids can wreak havoc. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil or introducing beneficial insects to keep them at bay. Think of it as inviting the good bugs to a garden party to kick out the troublemakers. Tip number 5. Water consistently. Corn needs about an inch of water per week, especially when tassels form and kernels start to develop. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Remember, corn is like a diva. It needs just the right amount of hydration. Tip number 6. Fertilize wisely. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. A good rule of thumb is to apply a nitrogen-rich fertilizer when the plants are about knee-high. Think of it as giving your corn a nutritious smoothie to help it grow strong. Tip number 7. Harvest at the peak of perfection. Check for ripeness by pressing a kernel with your fingernail. If it releases a milky liquid, it's time to harvest. And there you have it. 7 secret tips to help you grow the sweetest, most delicious corn right in your garden. Happy planting, everyone! If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening secrets.